Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G513. In this video I'll show you how to manage mouse cable connected to your keyboard. In the beginning, the keyboard USB port is located on the side of the keyboard. If the mouse cable is too long, you can simply place it here on the edge. The edges are specially carved, so they will fit the cable. Then you can place it here. And also, to lock it, you can place it here. Thanks to this operation, the mouse cable will be hidden and locked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.